On today, I in the kitchen. I jump on right quick. I feel like finally. Let me try and. But why you keep sliding like that? Hold on. Hopefully that's okay. I try and cut off most of the glare and light above my head. Right? Okay, so I find some bacon that I really. Did I say really like from HEB? I'm not sure how to bacon. Pop in my head like, oh, I need to make me a BLT. I've never had a BLT. I've never had a BLT because I don't eat bacon. I don't like bacon. Since I was a child, I never ever liked bacon. I don't really like the smell of it when it's cooking. I don't like how it look with the fat in it. Never like bacon. I guess that's why I'm open to trying some shit that has to do with bacon. And I'm gonna add some everything bagel seasoning to it. Add me some avocado. I'm going all out with the sandwich. And I'm gonna use this to make a bouillon. Bouillon, what I call them? I love these because they were fresh too when I reached in on HEB. They are just for a fresh batch out. Let me show you how to bake the bacon. Yes, see the bacon here. So I about to put a couple slices in the air fryer of my mayo. I already said this. Oh, is this from? Yeah, Dominican Republic. Oh, and it's perfectly soft. I got it bread out the way already. It's in the air fryer thingy toasting, and I guess some romaine lettuce. They didn't have iceberg, so I guess I'm gonna put a lot of lettuce in there. I like my sandwiches with a lot of lettuce. So yeah, this is my first time ever trying a BLT, but I guess it'll be a TBLT. It's turkey bacon. But it's turkey bacon. Oh, what a tomato! Anyway, I did also get a tomato and this juice. I also got me some. Oh, that smells so good! Some fresh tortillas because I'm going to make me some breakfast roll up things or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna try that. I'll make a few of them and freeze them. Yeah. Okay, so I just chatted. Let me go ahead and put a turkey in the air fryer. I'll be back. And I think I overdo it with the bread. Look at him. That son of a bitch is toasted. You mean? God, I'm gonna cut up my job 1 minute time. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me take a bite. Wait, I gotta fix the lettuce. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I can't even sit down. Mm, mm, mhm. Mm, mm. I have some other. That is so good. That's what I have. Okay, so I'm back again. That sandwich was delicious, and I can't wait to go sleep and wake up in the morning so I can make a next one. So I'm going to sleep early tonight, washing it down with my fresh squeeze. Not me fresh squeeze it, the stored fresh squeeze it. But the sandwich, 10 out of 10. And I could taste the onion and garlic and all that stuff from this coming through a little bit. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. That's so good. So, yeah, and that was my dinner. I didn't want nothing heavy to eat, just a sandwich, and that was perfect. Just a quick one, too. I say it's my first time eating BLT, first reaction, everything. So, yeah, that's it. And that's all. See you in the next one when I'm back in the kitchen doing something else. Maybe when I'm doing the breakfast. Yeah. 10 out of 10. I'll be back again. I don't know exactly when.